Hey, what's up y'all? My name is Matt Bogosian. I am a real estate agent here in Thompson Station, Tennessee. And today I am at a newer neighborhood here in Thompson Station called Fountain View. Fountain View is considered a master planned mixed use community. And the goal of my video today is to just walk around with you guys and show you what it's like to live here in the neighborhood. I'm currently standing out at the entrance to the neighborhood here real early. It's probably almost rush hour, so it's starting to get busy. This right here in front of you is Columbia Pike. Looking straight forward, this is what it looks like when you pull into the neighborhood. And then let me swing around here. That's what the entrance looks like right now. So yeah, let's take a walk up this way and I'll just start showing you guys around. So over to the left, I'm gonna show that to you guys in a second, but these are the very far building is actually the Thompson Station City building. I believe it's Town Hall, they call it. On their site map for this community, it says that this is gonna be a restaurant right here in front of us. Let me walk up. Yeah, so there you go, work and play. It says the butcher's shop. I mean, I'm sure that's not going to be the name of it, but you guys get an idea of what it's kind of going to be right there. As of right now, I believe there are 3 builders in here. You've got Dream Finders Homes, RG Custom Homes, and Tennessee Valley Homes. So yeah, there's that. That's supposed to be a restaurant. And let me show you again the drawing they have here, because maybe that's been approved and that's what they're gonna do. But look at it. It actually looks really cool, doesn't it? This right here to the left is Town Hall. They actually moved this last year. It's a really cool looking older building. I like it. Okay, all right, I'm up by the amenities. I just wanna kind of give you guys a shot of what I walked up from. There's Town Hall way up there. There's that restaurant. So the first thing that they've added is 2 pickleball courts right here. And you can tell that they really just recently added these. I mean, they don't even have grass or anything around it. It looks like they're working on that. But 2 pickleball courts. To your right is where that mixed use is going to be. So that's probably going to be maybe 2 or 3 buildings right there. And I don't know, I guess they'll have maybe condos in there or something like that, and then retail on the bottom. There'll probably be a parking lot back here. So it's coming along. And then as you come up this way, this right here is actually going to be the pool area. This is the clubhouse that they're building. Still under construction. That's cool. At least we can kind of get a view here. You come in here and it looks like they've got the pool dug out. Oh, actually, this is really nice in here, y'all. You can tell that there's going to be bathrooms over there, some kind of room right here. Maybe this is going to be some kind of like snack shack. I feel like this looks like it's going to be a kitchen. And yeah, it is. I mean, look at all this stuff. I could be wrong. That would be pretty awesome. So anyways, here's a view. Actually, that's a pretty good sized pool. Hopefully y'all can see that. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna hook a right up here and take you guys through the section that has already been built. And that way you can get a feel for what the homes are like. And over to the left are the sections that haven't been built yet. First thing is, you know, really nice sidewalks, underground utilities. These homes, you're going to see there's homes that go around the outer edge of the property, which it looks like they're building quite a few of those first. And then you're going to have homes on the inside like these right here in front of me. I really want to make sure that you guys get a good view of these. Here we go. So first of all, these houses are really pretty. The builders did a great job with them. Oh my gosh. I mean, look at that home. It's so pretty. Wow. Here's the model home for Dream Finders right here. I love the style that they have, the architecture. It's just so neat. So yeah, check out this Dreamfinders home right here. That's their model home. I'm gonna try to come back here and tour several of these homes for you guys as well, so you can get a feel for like what the quality and finishes are like. Home site number 6 sold. I believe this is a Tennessee Valley home right here. Price-wise, I'm sure you guys are wondering. I mean, the prices are going to change over time. I believe the least expensive that I saw on the MLS right now was $1,087,000, I believe. But I guess we'll see, right? See how things go. These three, I believe these three on the left right here are 𝐟𝐨𝐫𝐿 custom homes. Oh, that black home is pretty. Oh, yeah, these three, starting right now. Yeah. It's very pretty. I mean, they don't have as much space on these lots. And that's another thing I did want to touch on, because I know that there's probably a lot of people out there that are like, man, these houses with these alleyways behind them really don't have yards. I understand that, but you also have to understand there's a lot of people that don't care about having a yard and they don't use it. And I do get that. I mean, I would be someone that would say I have to have a yard, and my kids do go out and play soccer in it, but could we live without it? Totally. I mean, my neighborhood has green space all over it, and this neighborhood's gonna have green space all over it. So there's gonna be places for kids to play. I noticed this home right here on the right is for sale. I don't know if it's brand new or not. I mean, I know it's newer, but maybe they probably have it staged. I just noticed there was furniture and plants and stuff. I think it's probably staged. I'll try to see if I can't show that one tomorrow. Let me turn around and show you guys what we just walked down. So yeah, it's really private and it's pretty here. I mean, look at that house. That house has a yard, and then there's just like farmland behind it. There's a tree line. Can I guarantee that that farmland is gonna be there forever? No, certainly not. This really isn't gonna be a huge neighborhood either. I believe they are gonna have, I don't know if they're apartments up front, some kind of luxury apartments. So then you have these alleyways right here. So basically, the front of the homes on the left will be over there to the left, the front of the homes on the right will be over there to the right, and then this alleyway will have their garages. And these are all gonna be 2-car garages for the most part. I don't think I've seen a 3-car in here. They just don't have space on the lots. Look at this one right here. It's gonna be a pretty house. This one just backs up to a tree line. They've got some rocks back there, but I can see the neighbors put in a really nice retaining wall, and there's a beautiful flower bed. Yeah, this one here to the right sold. Let me come down here and then give you guys a better view of it. Oh wow, the door's open. I'm not gonna go in, I don't have permission. I love that 2nd-story porch up there, because that would be a great view. If you turn around, minus the dumpster, check out that view. You got all these houses, you can see all the treetops out that way. It's just pretty. I'm on Cathy Drive. Here's another one with Dreamfinders. This one is available. I mean, they did a good job. They set the driveway back as much as they could. Garage is right there. backs up to woods. That's lot number 22. I'm gonna go down here and then hook a left down one of these alleyways. Here's another one. I believe this one, maybe this one's available. That's a pretty house. So I was looking and I feel like these are actually pretty nice lots. The reason I say that, you've got those outer lots, sure, they look great, but there's farmland all around them, which I suspect will get built on at some point. These right here have that old mansion behind them. So I think you get what you get here. And this is home site number 76, 75, and look, they're already starting. So this is probably on the MLS. Yeah, it says available 75. Then you've got 74 to my right and 73. I actually think these will be pretty decent lots. Those will have little backyards too. I mean, I'm just looking at it. This is, I believe, 73. Yeah, here's the map for the community. Hopefully you guys can see. This is the entrance where I came in. And then this is lot 1. See here it says country store. All the mixed use stuff I was talking about up front, City Hall. Here is lot 70. I believe 73 is right here somewhere. So anyways, let's head down here. I think I'm gonna cut. I just want to show you guys behind these lots. I actually don't mind this. There's some space. I like it because there'll be back patio off of it. And then you got this space here. You can see the lot ends at this stake right here. So there is actually, here's the stake. There is actually a fair amount of space between the back of the home and the back of the lot. So there you go. All right, guys, I think this is a great time to end it. Once again, my name's Matt Bogosian. I'm a real estate agent here in Thompson Station, Tennessee. This neighborhood is called the Fountain View. If you're interested in any of these lots or you just want to talk to me about possibly moving here to Thompson Station, Tennessee in the future, I do have a link down in the description. And from that link, it takes you to my calendar and you can book a day and time that works for you and we can jump on a call. I appreciate you guys and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.